here heat and temperature, question number 17. See this. The density of water at 0 degrees centigrade is 0.998 gram by centimeter cube, and at 4 degrees centigrade is 1.000 gram by centimeter cube. Calculate the average coefficient of volume expansion of water in the temperature range from 0 degrees centigrade to 4 degrees centigrade. This is the question. To answer this question, what are the given values? First of all, density of water at 0 degrees centigrade, that is taken as rho 1, is equal to 0.998 gram by centimeter cube, and density of water at 4 degrees centigrade, rho 2, is equal to 1.000 gram by centimeter cube. And another one is given. Which one is given here? 4 degrees and these two. So calculate the average coefficient of volume of the water in the expansion. So here we know the formula, that is V2 is equal to V1 times 1 plus gamma into delta T. So this is the formula. So from this formula, which one we want to calculate? First of all, this volume is nothing but mass divided by density, that is m by rho 2, is equal to here mass divided by density rho 1 times 1 plus gamma into delta T. Gamma into delta T. Now here both side mass gets cancelled. Remaining is rho 1 divided by rho 2 is equal to 1 plus gamma into delta T. Gamma into delta T. Now here what happens in this case? Gamma into delta T is equal to rho 1 by rho 2 minus 1. So here gamma into delta T is equal to rho 1 minus rho 2 divided by rho 2. So here gamma is equal to rho 1 minus rho 2 divided by rho 2 into 1 by delta T. But what is about delta T means? Delta T is nothing but the difference between 0 and 4. So 4 minus 0, how much? 4. So here I want to calculate the gamma value. Gamma is equal to rho 1 means what is that? 0.998 minus 1.000 divided by 1.000 times 1 divided by delta T means what I told? 4. So here is equal to subtraction of this negative value we are getting 0.002 divided by 4. So on division of that minus 0.0005 per degree centigrade. I want to convert in another way, that is minus 5 into 10 to the power of minus 4 per degree centigrade. This is the solution for question number 17.